Hello, welcome to video 5 of ASVAB Roadmap. Today we'll discuss making the most of context prep. In this section, you will learn to use the meaning of a sentence to predict an answer on in-context questions, and use the meaning of a sentence to eliminate answer choices on in-context questions. In addition to the decoding strategy discussed above, you can also use the sentence itself to help you answer in-context questions. Context simply means the words or phrases surrounding an underlined word, and using context involves looking for clues in those other words in order to help you guess at the underlying word's meaning. So let's talk about some ways that context can be helpful. There are several ways context can be helpful. Sometimes the sentence signals that the underlined word resembles another idea in the sentence. Consider the following. You may find a question like, "The children thronged around the table like moths around a flame." So to analyze this, the word "like" signals that whatever the children were doing, they resembled moths swarming around a flame. So throng must convey the same sense. Sure enough, throng means swarmed or gathered in a crowd. In other cases, sentences may contain words that signal that the underlying word contrasts with or forms an unexpected combination with another idea in the sentence. Consider the following example. The best coaches are supportive but exacting. The word "but" tells you that exacting either contrasts with supportive, or else you would not expect to see supportive and exacting linked together. It is unlikely that exacting is the direct opposite of supportive, since the writer thinks that good coaches display both traits. In fact, exacting means making large demands. Thus, the prediction above is correct. Eliminating answer choices based on logic prep. If you really can't come up with a prediction, or if context is proving to be no help, then you may in some cases be able to eliminate answer choices by thinking logically about them. For example, if two answer choices mean nearly the same thing, they must be wrong, since the ASVAB has only one right answer for each question. Legerdemain most nearly means A. Monster, B. Massive amount, C. Magic trick, or D. Ogre. Steps 1 and 2 for analyzing. Hard to recognize prefixes, suffixes, or word roots in this word. Also, there's no context. Difficult to predict, so look at your choices. Step 3. Now, monsters and ogres are not exactly synonyms, but they both mean creatures that are frightening. Therefore, it's unlikely that either of them are correct. Eliminate A and D. At this point, make a guess between B and C. In fact, legerdemain means sleight of hand, so magic trick is the best fit. In conclusion, eliminating choices based on logic usually helps you to narrow choices down to 2. You may need to use another strategy or simply guess in order to select from the remaining 2 choices. Alright guys, that's all for this section. We'll be moving on to paragraph comprehension next, so get ready.